Jello on the beat.
Hey guys, it's Shalisha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, subscribe. In this video, I am doing an easy, simple look. I think I'm going to do like a brown smoky eye. Pretty sure I've done one on my channel before, but I'm going to do it again. So I've already done my face. Like most of the time, my face is already done. I typically do my face first and then my eyes. It's totally different because on my clients, I do their eyes first, but on me, that's how I like to roll. So sorry if you guys can hear the background noise. I have the fan going and the window is open. Yeah, it's kind of warm outside, but I refuse to turn my air on just yet, so gotta deal with it. I'm gonna be using a few products. I'm not sure what palettes I'm gonna be using, but I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette in front of me, and then I also have the Melt Cosmetics Rust Stack. I've been using this ABH palette a lot lately. I don't know, I just really like the colors inside, so I want to be using like the orange and brown shade in here though, and then the Melt Stack has this really dark brown shade that I might dip into, so we're gonna figure it all out. I'm trying to hurry up before it gets too dark because I need to take my baby Blue for a walk. Her birthday just passed and I'm so excited. By the time this video is uploaded, her birthday will probably been like way back when. But yeah, she turned a year old on May 25th, so I'm excited. I know I've been saying I'm going to do like a video with her and about her, but I haven't gotten around to it, but I'm going to try my best to get it out soon. So enough talking and rambling, like that was so random. Enough of that. I'm just going to jump into creating the look. I have some powder baking. Matter of fact, I need to add a little bit more powder under my eyes to help with fallout, and I'm just using my setting powder. This just helps if any shadow falls onto our face. Like I said, our face is done, or obviously my face is done already, so I don't want to ruin all the work I put in, you know. And then I just leave the other powder on just to sculpt out my cheeks, so that way we look nice and snatched. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to get started on the eye look. Hey, how you doing? Like I said, I'm using the Prism Palette by Anastasia. I think I'm going to keep the look really simple. I'm going to take a MAC 217 brush. It looks like this. It's just a blending brush. I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is Saturn. It's a nice orange tone. Orange shade. And I'm going to put this into my crease. I'm going to start it right in the center. I always forget how pigmented these shadows are. So I'm just building that into my crease. Damn, I did not realize. Okay, I really forgot how pigmented this was. Well, I'm just putting that right into my eye socket and blending it out. And I'm just moving in small circular motions just to diffuse this color out a little. Now I'm going to go into the shade Eden. I'm going to use the same brush. This one's more coral. Saturn is more orange. And I'm just running this lightly over the edge of Saturn. These are my two favorite shades out of the palette. I just love orange tone shades. Like, I love how they warm up the eye. See, it's real simple, you know. It's real cute, real simple, real easy. I'm gonna actually jump right into the lid shade Parallel, which is this shade right here, this brown shade. And I'm gonna use this MAC 239 brush. It's just a flat brush, and I'm gonna pack that all over the lid. Blue, get it together. And I'm going slightly above that, not the crease, but I have hooded lids, so I'm going right above that hood, like stabbing the brush right into my socket. Softly blend out the edges of the brown. It's not going to be perfect. I'm going to go back into the orange shade just to help blend it more, but this is going to give us a head start. So I'm going to take Saturn and run right over the edges. And I'm holding my brush towards the end so that way I'm very light-handed and softly blending. I feel like I need to take the brown up higher on this eye. So I'm going to go with a clean brush. This is the Morphe M508 brush. It was a little bit more defined at first, but it's been blown out from use in washes. So I'm going to just run that over the edge of the entire look just to make sure I'm going to run that over the edge of the entire look just to make sure that everything is blended. I'm going to take the same MAC brush and take Saturn, which is the orange shade, and run that under my lash line. Now I'm going to take the flat brush and take the brown shade, Parallel, and put that on my lower lash line as well. And I'm using the very tip of the brush to do that. I'm going to go in with the black liner. I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Velvet Glide on Eye Pencil. Such a long name. This one's in the shade Black Velvet, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. Before that dries too much, I'm going to take this Morphe M508 brush. I'm actually going to the Melt Rust Stack and use that rock shade I was referring to in my intro. I would use the black out of the Prism palette, but mine has cracked, crumbled, and left the building. This is what I'm using, and I'm just going to blend that right into that black liner. My camera is dying, so I'm going to finish my eyes really quickly. I'm going to use the NYX Jet Black liner, and then I'm going to set it with the Rot shadow, so that way it's soft and dark, but not, you know, too intense. So I'm going to do that really quick. I'm going to apply lashes and come back to finish the face because my camera's playing. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face. Like I said, my camera was dying. It's probably about to die again. So I want to let you guys know what I used really quick. For lashes, I used my Pixie lashes from Kiss. I've been wearing those a lot lately in my recent videos. For lips, I decided to go with gloss. I've been wearing that a lot recently too. Like, who am I? I don't know. Like, I've been doing it a lot lately, but yeah. So for lips, I used NYX liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. It's like a brown, and then I used Dose of Colors, what is this, Desert Suede, and I topped it with Like from Kylie Cosmetics. So these are the three things I use for my lips. I think that's about it. This is the look. I'm loving it. Oh, I'm so in love with how it turned out. This is a nice, simple, easy look. I used 3 colors, or 4 actually, but it's just a nice brown smoky eye. Really cute, soft, but with a little bit of grunge, and I'm always down for grunge. Like, I love grunge looks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you aren't, and let me know what you all want to see from me on my channel. I'm going to try my best to stay consistent, and I'm going to try my best to get a video with my baby blue. I've been saying it for so long. That and my braces, like, y'all, I got so much going on. But this is it for the video. Like I said, subscribe if you aren't, and I will see you guys in the next one. This gloss, honey. Who am I? Whew, it's hot in here. It's getting hot in here. So hot. Oh! Let me rock on them. Slap out. What was that?